Yeah, yeah, I'm saying, Sammy is back. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, you know they call me Sammy, and I'm back, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I told you I got a lot of handles. You know what I mean? And all my handles be hot. A lot of niggas know me as Sammy out on the blocks out, you know what I mean? And I'm letting everybody know. Sammy is back. Yo, Sammy is back. I got that. Sammy is back. I got that. Sammy is back. You know I got that. Sammy is back. He got that crack again. No, it's that digital crack. Told y'all I'm that boy, got that residual crack. Understand how I'm getting that crack. Yeah, Sammy is back. With that crack again, no. I got that digital crack. Told y'all niggas I'm that boy, got residual stacks. Understand how I keep getting it like that. Sammy's back. With that crack again, nah, I got that digital crack. Told y'all I got that residual crack. Told y'all that's how I'm getting that stacks again, yeah. I say I'm back and I'm in the game, but I'm like, damn, I'm in the fucking game. I'm selling this digital cracks, digital birds, making digital stacks, damn. They like he getting digital stacks, yeah, all on that credit card. You understand, nigga? This shit is real, nigga. I'm on that credit card. Yo, call it CC, my cash collector. Everywhere it's going around, put some money on my card. Told y'all, I'm that boy, I need more money on my fucking card. So I'm running through the world on my fucking card. I'm collecting all this cash. Told y'all, yeah, nigga, see, I'm getting to that cash, yeah. I'm a cash collector. I got a machine to collect my cash, nigga. Told y'all, the machine run 24 hours, 7 days a week, and my machine never sleep. I'm getting to that dough, nigga. Watch how I get it. Told y'all niggas I'ma get it. Yo, been flipped the fucking crack blocks, yeah. Been ran licking shots at the fucking cops, yeah. Didn't give a fuck about nobody out there. Ain't nobody stop me out there, yeah. But now with some new shit, yo, I'm on some 2000 shit. I'm in the millennium now. Told y'all they couldn't stop me then, and they can't stop me now. Yo, I'm down here with that residual stacks, making residual birds, selling residual crack. Yeah, I got that digital crack. Told y'all niggas, it's that digital crack. Yeah.